down. When I hear the trumpet sound, I'm gonna get up out of the ground, 'cause there ain't no grave gonna hold this body down.
Go down yonder, Gabriel, place your foot on the land and see. But don't you blow that trumpet now until you hear from me, 'cause there ain't no grave that's gonna hold this body down now. No, 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 no.
There ain't no grave, gonna hold this body down. When I hear the trumpet sound,
I'm gonna get up out of that ground. There ain't no grave gonna hold this body down.
said look way over Jordan, what do you think I'd see? I saw a band of holy angels, and they're coming after me. I cried,
Me, Jesus.
yeah.
Meet me in the middle of the air. I'm gonna rise to meet my Lord and say goodbye down here. There ain't no grave that's gonna hold this body down now.
Gonna hold this body down.
Oh yeah, there ain't no grave
Yeah, yeah.
that's gonna hold this body down.
Gonna hold this body down.
Come on in. Cleaning up on the shoes, getting them all ready, getting the water jet ready. That's a mess until our vacuum system comes online, but yeah, we're getting everything ready, cleaned up. Still moving in. I'm just moving, transformers and everything here. Starting to that.